Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you how I made this wig cap on my head right now. It's a wig cap, so I hope you keep on watching. So guys, what you'll be needing for this tutorial is your cap as usual, but you can use any cap of your choice. You can use any one you want. So I'm just going to turn the cap to the other side, that's to the back side, and then put it on the mannequin's head and then secure it with a pin. So you'll be needing your wig pin. So after securing it with a wig pin, you also need your hot glue gun. The hot glue gun is optional. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can use your needle and thread to sew it down. The hot glue gun is just so easy. This is it right here. It's so easy, and then it lasts for long also. So in case you're wondering how long does it last, it really lasts. Yeah. So right now this is how the wig cap is on the dummy's head, secured with the pin. So here is the hair I'm using. I'm just going to go ahead and take some little strands of hair I want, and then I start putting the hot glue gun on the cap. So right now the hot glue gun is plugged already. So what I'm going to do is to press it down for the glue to come out, and then I'm going to put it on the wig cap, that's on the cap, and then put the hair I want to use on that particular side where the glue is. So right now what I'm doing is to put like some set of glue on the cap and then start putting my hair on it. I'm going to press it for like some seconds just to make it stay and last long, you understand? So that's what I'm doing. So I just changed the way I'm putting it, like put the glue on the hair and then put it on the cap. I think that's just what was easy for me, so you can do anything that is easy for you. I used same method until I finished the whole of the hair. That's the hair I want to use on the wig cap. So I used same method on it. So what I did was to put hot glue on the hair, that's the glue on the hair, and then put it on the wig, on the cap, and then press it down for some while to make it last long. So that's what I'm just gonna keep doing until I finish the whole of the hair. I did similar video on how to also do cap for the first video I did was like face cap, and I think it's also doing well on my channel. So if you haven't watched that, you can still go ahead and watch it, which I'm going to leave on the description box. Guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, or you're watching my channel for the first time and you're wondering who is this, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing, like this video, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wig. Also let me know where you're watching from. If you're new to my channel, let me know. Thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, subscription is free. Join this family, and I hope you learn one or two things. Thank you for tuning in today's video, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you watch this video till the end so you can see the end result.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
So here is how the hair is looking like. I'm just going to take out all the old pin I use in securing the cap. So what I did was, like for example, I used 15 strands of hair on the left side. I'm also going to use 15 strands of hair on the right side of the hair cap, so the hair is going to be equal, you understand? So that was what I did. So right now, this is how the finished look is looking like. This is how the wig is looking like. It's so long. I love it because it's long. So I'm just going to try it on my head and then we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know if you're new to my channel. Let me also know where you're watching from, and let me know if you're going to do this kind of hair. This is how it's looking on my head. I see you guys in my next video. Bye and stay blessed always. Mwah.